Oh, hello. Don't panic, nothing wrong, at least serious, I don't think. Just taking a little gander around the engine bay, as you do when you find this on the garage floor. Yeah, it's a electrical connector. Obviously, it could be off a multitude of various cylinders, but it was down the back of the Stratos. Yes, down there on the Stratos landing pad. I have a vague memory, that'd be an understatement, but yeah, I have a vague memory that I just put it on something that was hot, just to cap it, basically. But I may be totally wrong. Obviously, the reality is that it drove perfectly well last time I took it out. And we're going to take it out again. I'm just going to check the oil and all that kind of stuff. It's a beautiful engine, isn't it? Yeah, so the intention is to go out to lunch with a mate of mine, because we can. My darling wife is a fully signed up member of the Ladies at Lunch Club, and I thought we should have a Lads at Lunch Club. Now, before we set out, I've received some criticism recently, albeit constructive, about wonky and weird camera angles, and I thoroughly agree. I'm just trying things out. So, Mr. Dungeon, if you're watching, this is going to be another one of those, but we will try and do some more kind of out of car stuff, i.e. An accompanying vehicle. We've got that tracking drone that we got to test out at some point, and stay tuned. So while I'm doing all the pre-flight checks, you've got time to subscribe down here somewhere and give the video a thumbs up. Yeah. And we can hit the road. Okay, so this is what it sounds like in the cockpit when we eventually get moving. I left this bit in only because it illustrates the kind of cretinous driving that we have to deal with here. The guy 3 cars ahead in the left-hand passing lane, because that's what it is, not a look at the scenery lane, basically stopped 3 of us getting by the guy in the right-hand lane. And again, all the fun spoilt by 3 guys on Harleys, let alone the guy in the Jeep that pulled out in front of them. So that's it for this time. Yes, Mr. Dungeon, another weird and wonderful camera angle. Yeah, not great, was it? If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, better camera angles, then subscribe down there somewhere. I promise I'll try harder, Mr. Dungeon. Oh, and of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.